we headed?
Magens Bay Beach. I have to drive with superior focus. 'Cause these... Welcome to another episode of Live Your Truth. I am Damien, your host. That's my wife over there, floating, just having a grand old time. We're at Magens Bay in St. Thomas, U.S. Virgin Islands. Donnie, you recommended this place. Love you, bro. I'm thinking about you. Thanks for recommending it. This water is super clear. This beach particularly is not really for snorkeling. There's not a lot of places to snorkel, even though there are people that are still snorkeling, and I'm still going to snorkel just because there's fish everywhere. But we came early enough before it's flooded with billions of people. I imagine by afternoon this place will just be packed. You got a restaurant bar over there. If you're liking the video so far, thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, hit the notifications because there's a lot more St. Thomas videos coming your way. Let's take the camera underwater and see what we can see. Fun fact, if you want to get a good feel in your goggles, shave your mustache. For the men and the women out there. Very hard to stay down. I don't know if you can hear me. There's probably water all up in my microphone. But right over there, past that buoy, there's fish jumping everywhere. I've swallowed about 9 gallons of salt water. Magens Bay, St. Thomas, Virgin Islands. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. It's literally going to change my life, and it'll be all because of you. I love you guys. I'm going to show you some good stuff. Stay tuned, share with your friends. Let's go, baby. Couldn't stay down. I'm very buoyant. Again, I don't know if you can hear me. Ooh, pelican, iguana, iguana right there. There you go. Top of that rock, right there. Yeah, he's gone. Oh, there's another one. There's another one. St. Thomas, I love you. My wife said there's turtles over here. I'm trying to find them for you guys. Stay tuned. Give a thumbs up to this video. All right. We're gonna move on. I'm gonna leave them alone. There you go. There you go. You probably can't hear me. Oh man, I hope you guys enjoyed that. St. Thomas, I love you, baby. Melissa's following the turtle. Now, I hope you can hear me, but if not, I'll caption. I did something wrong, which was following them so close. You want to give them their space. But I gotta tell you, sea turtles hold a very special place in my heart. I love them. I love them. I love them. I'm so happy. This is the best moment of my life. I know I saw them in Hawaii, and I know that you saw that. What a magical moment. What a magical place. Oh. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell. More to come. Love you guys. If you haven't already, hit the like, hit the subscribe. I love you guys so much for watching this channel, for watching this episode, for just being involved. Thank you so much. Anytime that you watch, especially anytime that you like the videos, it gets out into other people, in front of other people. If there's anything that you take from my channel, if there's anything that you take from my videos, I hope that you'll make the sacrifices necessary to be in places like this. I understand that I am blessed. I'm very blessed. I have the wife that I have, who, the majority of which is the reason I can come to places like this. And I hope that you guys will make the necessary sacrifices. And I understand, again, this is a special circumstance for me. But if there's anything that you can do to make this possible for yourselves, I really hope that you'll try. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, I'm burnt, and I know that. we were going to end it at Magens Bay. But I figured I'd give you a sunset instead.